Toronto was just ranked the friendliest city in the entire world. Get out of here, Will. You're biased. You're only saying that because you're here.
According to BlogTO.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
No, there was a survey.
I know. It must be somebody else. A study. I want to know who's responsible for these studies. Preply, an online language learning platform, has developed it. What? Is this an ad? No. Sorry. Has developed the Community Spirit Index, a comprehensive ranking of 53 cities worldwide based on their friendliness. Their friendliness to non-natives. Interesting. Wow. Toronto is also an incredibly diverse city. So there's you know what I mean? I feel like, I don't know why I feel like that would help in this regard. Okay, so here's the categories. Was the staff friendly? The percentage of reviews mentioning the word friendly, community respect, city ranking, happiness, and English proficiency score. All right. It looks like it's dominated here by Canadian, British, and U.S. cities. Toronto coming in number 1, Sydney number 2, Edinburgh number 3, Manchester, New York, Montreal, Melbourne, San Francisco. And then you get some New Zealand jumping in and some European countries jumping in later. What are the questions in the survey? Oh, here we go. 6 factors were considered when it comes to determining the world's friendliest cities. The percentage of accommodation reviews mentioning the word friendly. Visitor return rate, the percentage of visitors who return to each city after traveling there once. So obviously it left a good impression. The city's safety index score, which indicates if it's a safe environment. Okay, that one is a little bit more. Diversity acceptance, LGBTQ plus equality score in the city, which indicates if this is an accepting and supportive community. The city's overall happiness and well-being score, according to inhabitants. Well, that one to me is like...
well, I don't know.
What is your happiness score, Will? Like, come on. How do you answer these things?
Rent and mortgage rates are terrible right now.
That's right. I'm miserable.
So, I don't know. Yeah, it really depends. A lot of people in the chat are saying, why is New York up there?
I don't know.
But I don't know. Maybe it's not just Manhattan. Maybe it's just...
Well, Lee says because when you add the LGBT, then New York wins.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Go back
Toronto's pretty big.
But is there an LGBT column?
I'm guessing it's community respect.
Okay. Well, then actually, Edinburgh. Look at that. And Montreal go higher on the community respect. I don't know.
Amsterdam.
I don't know about these things. They do this thing all the time. They're like, oh, the happiest country in the world, the best place to live, quality of life score. And I just...
But in your experience, since you are in Toronto, do you think it's...
No, Toronto is...
Is decent?
Toronto's decent. Toronto's decent.
Because we haven't visited all these countries or cities.
No.
How do we compare, right?
Toronto is decent, but I don't know that we're capable of answering as inhabitants. I think this is when you're visiting somewhere else. It's a travel-based thing, right?
Right.
So we would have to be the visitors to then determine how we're being treated as visitors. That's the idea, but anyway.
Well, yeah. Come visit Toronto. It's nice. Especially during the summer.
You're inviting people to come chill.
Yeah. It's pretty friendly.
Or you could say it's decent.
Very decent.
Very decent.
All right, this is the last one, but you might have seen it. Have you seen this one?
See, somebody's saying India's rank in the happiness index 126th out of 136 countries, making it one of the least happy countries in the world. Ukraine is higher in happiness than India. Yet my experience in India is everybody was super cool and happy. I don't know. Do we answer surveys differently? Was it a big goof that was happening? Was it a big act that was going on? You see what I mean, Will? I'm getting upset here.
It's hard to quantify happiness, but maybe satisfaction overall. Is there a way to,
Oh man!
If you
those are some cool baseball diamonds right there, by the way. And there's a tournament they do at the end of each summer when the exhibition is going on,
Right at Harborfront.
right next door to there,
Yeah.
and you get free passes to go to the exhibition, and then you come play the baseball tournament.
So we'll see you there in the
No,
summer?
not this year. I was there last year though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.